How's it going, everyone? It is October 15th. Guys, this is unbelievable data. Like, honestly, this is 11 for 11 winning trades this morning on the 1 minute time frame trading in Q. I mean, after taking the best sell signal and drawing this all the way down for almost 100 plus points in the market, even with chop in the market here going on, look at this, you guys. Every single one of these signals panned out. Entry, take profit level, exit. Entry, take profit. Entry, take profit. Entry here, profit. Entry, profit, entry, profit, entry, profit. And let's look over here, entry, profit. Let's go more, entry, profit, entry. And right now, literally live as I'm making this video, entry, profit. It's just taking it. Guys, this is literally just going for 5 points on each trade on the NQ. That's it. It's that simple, you guys. Look at this. Go to your indicators right now and change this to 20. This is literally going to populate right when a buy or sell signal is illuminated. It's going to put this on your chart right away to say if it hits that point, just get out of the market. Look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades. 10 times 5 is 50 points in the market. Guys, trading one contract, that's $1,000. If you traded today with these metrics and you didn't make money, following this and taking out 5 points on the 1 minute, 10 points on the 2 minute time frames, you need to ask yourself what happened, because the traders, everyone who's using this, literally almost 1,500 people, actually 1,400, 1,492 to be exact, all made money using these metrics this morning, following that exact setting. Guys, please do yourself a favor. Grab this for lifetime access and see what so many people are having success with. This is literally 65-star ratings that have come through with this just in the last few months. Guys, my name is Justin. I am the founder of My Future Success. I've been trading for about 10 to 15 years, and I have developed these metrics. We're now on V4, so version 4. To get these to the best accurate signals in the market for you guys to take a look and to make money. Look at the 5-star ratings over here. Literally go on here and take 20 minutes and read through all of these and see if anything actually corresponds to your trading career. Guys, I don't care if you're 18 years old, 92 years old. I'm doing one-on-one trainings with individuals that have never traded before, and literally the week after, they're like, Justin, I've made more money in this last week than I've actually made in my 9-to-5 job in the week, and I'm looking to quit. Honestly, guys, don't quit your 9-to-5. Please keep your 9-to-5, but use this as a separate source of income, because these signals cannot lie. They honestly cannot lie. I want every single person, 1,492 people as I speak right now, to load up your charts on InQ on the 1 minute time frame. I want you to adjust this to 20, and I want you to see the exact results that I'm seeing right in this video that I'm doing right now. Literally 11 for 11 trades and catching one of the biggest sell-offs in the market this morning that any indicator could have predicted, right at the top, catching this down for one of the biggest moves. And even with a lot of chop up and down, every single one of these so far going 100% win rate, 11 for 11. Guys, I am having so much fun doing this. I'm going to get on YouTube as many mornings as I can, just like I did this morning, showing myself a recording of a live $400 profit, just taking out 10 points in the morning. I actually ended up getting in on a contract over here and drawing it down to a level of support. And it was just a quick in, quick out. When you get into the market, take 10 points, get in, get out, get on with your day, and repeat this cycle over and over again, you would be so surprised at how fast your accounts are going to grow. I will let you know, Take Profit Trader. Guys, TradingView is what I use for my metrics. TradingView is separate from Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is the brokerage that goes through Tradovate that I use for my prop firm accounts that I trade on, that you guys see on the DOM on the right hand side over here. I use these both separately. Now, you guys, if you use TradingView, I want to just do this as a disclosure. I use the essential package on TradingView because you do need to have market data. CME data is literally just $7 a month on TradingView, just so you can have live price action to link up to whatever broker you're on. Now, if you use a trading panel on TradingView on the bottom here, you can actually link other accounts and it'll be able to show you, like Take Profit or Tradovate. You can link your account through that and trade directly on this chart, whatever you prefer. But you guys, this is literally live results right now. If you traded today and you made money on this, leave a comment below, because I want to see all the success that so many people are having. And if you haven't done so, do yourself a favor, you guys. Honestly, grab this for lifetime access. every single upgrade that I do on these metrics is absolutely free. All four of the upgrades that I've done on this, every single person has never paid a penny extra and has always got the increase every single time. And that's always how I'll do business here for you guys. Have a great rest of your day. But I just want to get on here and show you guys this because I can't make this up. This was absolutely an incredible day. Take care.